I captured these lovely, relaxing sounds on a warm afternoon by the river. There's a delightful natural rhythm going on here, with a blackbird in the foreground and a chaffinch and occasional robin in the background. In Southwark Forest, on a breathlessly calm and warm night, all the birds had gone quiet but this one, a grasshopper warbler. His strange, insect-like call came from an overgrown thicket of brambles. I never got to see him, but his call is fascinating. Many of us wake early on spring mornings and lie in bed listening to the dawn chorus. I recorded this from a bedroom window at 3:40 a.m. on the 6th of June. What an evocative sound this is, dominated by blackbirds, the real essence of spring. On a grey, rainy day in July, I sheltered under a hedgerow with this thrush. He sounds a little subdued by the weather. I certainly was. One of the strangest sounds in the countryside is the barking call of a muntjac deer. At the end of July, I was on the path from Southwark to Wood Newton. I stopped to record 2 muntjacs, calling far off in the echoing forest. Then another started to bark, barely 50 yards away, in a clearing. A weird, atmospheric sound. Red kites are often seen but seldom heard. I recorded this kite in October. I was standing by a stream, and the bird was perched high in a poplar tree near the Cotterstock Road. Its thin, plaintive, skirling call always stops me in my tracks. On a dark autumnal evening in Southwick Forest, I recorded a rutting fallow stag. He was about 100 yards away, and, alone in the forest, I actually felt quite threatened by his powerful guttural sound. There are calls, too, from a tawny owl, from cattle which graze the forest, and towards the end, the distant buzz of a motorbike on the Bullock Road. In early November, a warm spell brought an owl blackbird into full, unseasonal song. Here he is, piping up amongst the crows on the recreation ground. I heard these tawny owls duetting on a wild, stormy night in Southwick. They're very close, and you can hear a more screeching quality to their calls. In late November there was a lively exchange between swans and geese in one of the old gravel pits in Barnwell Country Park. You can hear the swishing of the swans' wings as they display. An awesome sight. For each of the last 3 years, a thrush has started to sing out from the bottom of my garden on the 21st of December, the shortest day of the year. Here he is, with the clock chimes of Oundle St. Peter's Church in the background, as if looking forward to the lengthening days, the new year, and a whole new cycle of natural sounds.